Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video we are going to discuss job opportunities from 4 different MNC companies. So let's get started. Before going into our main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe channel for all private and government jobs notifications. Viewers, first company Volvo, and they are hiring R&D PMT project quality engineering positions. And in the starting only they clearly mentioned regarding responsibilities like they had technical missions, monitor quality, monitor and maintain data quality, understanding data analysis, quality defects, and as well as update Google site content on KPI, execute run test scenario with high rigor, build and test dashboards and prepare new dashboards requirements. Even they mentioned general missions, and eligibility criteria is master degree like BE, MCA, MSc, computer science, and excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English. Primary location is Chennai and department is research and development, and it is a day shift job, full time employment. Those who are interested, please apply for the job. I'll provide a link in the description. Vias next company is JKT, and they are hiring for software engineering trainee positions. Eligibility criteria is BTech MCA candidates can apply for this job, and roles and responsibilities are passion and zeal to explore new technologies, understanding of computer architecture, hardware, operating system, good grasping power, awareness of latest technologies and methodologies like Agile, waterfall and quality parameters to come up with improvement suggestions for assigned tasks and modules, prior experience with live projects, active involvement in extracurricular activities like coding contest, open source contribution, white papers, project competitions, etc. And they are preferring 2021 batch. And the candidates who are going to apply, they need to secure at least 65% marks in their 10th, inter and diploma and more, in the sense in your degree also. Graduation with minimum 65%, and they are only allowing 1 year gap in your education, and job location is Bangalore. And we are starting, they are going to pay 10,000 stipend, followed by once a training is completed you are going to get 3,50,000 per annum as CTC. Those who are interested, please do apply for the job. I'll provide a link in the description. Even they are giving 50,000 as a bonus amount. So this is a very good opportunity for freshers because they are providing a training, and even though they are placing you in the company. And yours next company is Donzo. They are hiring for analyst position. Work location is Bangalore. Required skills are people who are going to apply, they need to have knowledge regarding SQL, and they need to be proficient in MS Excel, ability to handle large amount of data, ability to handle unstructured problems through data driven decision making. Even they just given about why you will love us, like it's a startup environment, say goodbye to couples, we are got to be you covered and chippy, good perks, brain breaks, expand your career. So it's a very good opportunity viewers. Those who are from science background like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA candidates are eligible for this position. Those who are interested, please do apply for the job. I'll provide a link in the description. Vias next company is Coach, and they are hiring graduate trainee engineering positions. Those who have completed BE, MTech in mechanical engineering are eligible for this position. Vias duties and responsibilities are responsible for understanding and working towards VOC by closing working with product management, facilitate and conduct conceptual reviews, DFM reviews, design reviews, phase gate reviews, work on FEA and light pipe simulation on need basis. So freshers and experienced both can apply for this job, and they are preferring mechanical students. So those who are interested, please do apply for the job because they mentioned that 0 to 1 year of design and product development experience. So all the best viewers, hope this video is useful for you, and please do like the videos in order to reach for needy people. And viewers, please do subscribe Adira Job Creation channels for all private and government jobs notifications, and stay tuned. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews.